Hi, this is Amanda Hoops with the Hoops Family Network, and I'm going to make a video today on how to start off YouTube without having to buy anything necessary. Come along and join me. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and comment below if you've got any questions. So first off, we're going to start off with the Selfie Stick. It helps with distance. It helps with, it helps reach. It helps take pictures that you may need to be able to reach farther. Today, my camera is off of the tripod, so I could be able to show you these things that I use. I was able to buy a mini tripod stand, and that and the Selfie Stick I got at Five Below for a decent price. So it's cheap, but it gets me by for right now, and I'm filming on my smartphone. Then we have an external battery. That is a must need when starting off, because if you need more of a battery, then that's gonna be your lifesaver. You can't film if you have a dead battery. So those three things that I just showed you are, you don't need, but they help. Like the tripod has been my lifesaver. The Selfie Stick, I used it some. The audio isn't that great. Like if you watch my zoo vlog, I believe that is why the audio had messed up. And then the external battery I had already had. And then I edit using my computer with the video editor it came with, so I didn't have to buy that. I'm not crazy about it because it doesn't have transitions like Filmora does. But to start off, until I start making money, that is going to be what I'm using. And I'm using my smartphone that I use every day, which everybody this day and age should have a smartphone. If not, I'm sure you've got a camera, you've got something you can record on. So, if you like this video, go down and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and comment any questions you may have. And that is it for the day. So remember, opportunities are created and you are special. So have a good day.